Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and I also show the most straightforward and profitable strategies for you. And today I got something special for you guys. This strategy is really simple and at the same time it's very profitable. You're gonna believe it by the end of the video. We trade OTC today because of the weekend and I have already picked the community pairs. They have the highest payout rate, but at the same time we have to be really careful because it's off exchange trading. And let's move on to our today's strategy. Today's indicator, it's gonna be the stochastic and the fractal. And let's set the period to 5 and also set the overbought zone to 70 and oversold to 30. We trade on a 1 minute time frame as usual. The main signal for opening position will be the crossing of the levels 70 and 30. These are the overbought and oversold zones, and the fractal is gonna show us updates of the local highs and local lows. Well, and let's get started guys. Today I got $95 on the balance. We trade for all the money as usual, and let's start our trading session. Let's open a long position and let me explain the principle of trade entry. The first thing, we look at the reversal of the moving average on the stochastic. We see the hit of the oversold zone, and then we see the reversal and also the crossing of the moving average, and we expect the moving towards the overbought zone in the short term, and that was the first signal. And let's see guys. And the first one is in a profit, perfect start, and let's carry on the trading session. Let's open a long position guys, and let me explain the principle of trade entry. So, everything is super simple. If we take a look at the stochastic, we see the crossing of the moving average and then the crossing of the oversold zone, and the reversal, the upward dynamic should follow up. And also, if you look at the chart, we see that the updating of the local low here, and the price is gonna rebound and go to the upside, and will eventually update its local high. So also pay attention to this resistance zone, and there is some space here until the price will hit it, and basically the price is gonna break it through and update its local high, and that's why we open the long position guys. And we end the profits. Let's update the trade amount and let's continue. Well, let's open a long here. Let me explain the principle. We see the inception of the green candle, and also on the stochastic we see the crossing on the oversold zone, and we expect to see some upward dynamics, and previously there was a rebound of our moving average, and here and there. So, and now and this scenario should play out again. And also if we look at the chart, we see that the accumulation zone has been formed, and after which the breakout of the upside is likely to happen. Price should retest this resistance level because there was the updating on the local low here. That's why the price is going to move upwards. That's why we open the long guys. Let's see. And here guys, our position is in the profits, and let's continue our trading session. Let's open a long position. I think we've caught a great position entry level. We see that the moving average are almost at the maximum point and the reversal is about heaven. So we observe a strong upward dynamics, and a good correction hasn't happened yet, but it's been a while since the local low was updated, and a small correction is inevitable, and we count on that guys. So let's see. Good job guys, we got $1,200 on the balance, and let's update the trade amount and continue our trading session. Let's open a short position guys. I'm gonna explain the principle, and first of all we see that an updating of the local high just happened here, and a small correction will definitely take place. And also it is supported by the fact that moving average are in the overbought zone on the stochastic, and we expect to see some downward dynamics because we see the crossing of the moving average, and that's why we open the short position. And there we go, we got $2,000 on the balance. It's not enough for me, and we are gonna open a few more trades, and let's see guys. Well, let's open two long positions. The principle is exactly the same guys. I'll point out the worst case. And if we look at the stochastic, we see the moving average have broken down the level 30, which is the oversold zone, and there was a rejection from this particular level here and here. And now we expect the similar stuff, and we play ahead of the market, and the crossing is about heaven. So This also supported by the fact that the price hits a support level and a small pullback is imminent, and the fractal is gonna show us the updating of the local low here. That's why we play ahead of the market. And there we go, we got $3,900 on the balance, and let's continue our trading session. Let's open our long position, guys. I'll explain the principle. The first thing to notice is this huge support zone. There was the updating of the local low here, and then there was a great upward dynamics. The updating local high did happen, and I think this level, the local low, should be updated and the prices go move upwards, and a small pullback will definitely happen. And basically, if you look at the chart, we see downtrend here, but pay attention to this huge red candle and the support zone. We can conclude that the pullback is gonna happen. That's why we open the long position, guys. And yep, guys, all the positions have been closed in profit. They are almost $10,000 on the balance. But we need more money, and let's open our final position. Let's open our long position, guys. The principle is exactly the same, everything is super simple. Like in the previous trades, we see the crossing on the oversold zone, and we expect to see the reversal. After this massive downward dynamics, the updating of the local high has already happened, and we expect a small pullback, and all this is supported by the fact here it's a huge support zone, and the previous local low was updated here. That's why the price is gonna move to the upside. And there we go, we got $12,000 on the balance, and great trading session. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you understood how to trade using the strategy. So good luck in trading, bye bye.